Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add multiple accounts to your TikTok on the same device, as well as if you wanted to switch between them. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select the profile button in the bottom right. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner, left click on it, and select settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom where it says login, and you want to select switch account, left click on that. If you want to add the account, just go ahead and select the add account button in here and then enter in those credentials, or you can go ahead and create a new account basically. And then once you have it in this list, you can just go ahead and back into the switch account area, and then it would be listed here. And you can just click on that account and you would be switched over to it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.